If you want a fully funded master's scholarship in Thailand, the Chulabhorn Graduate Institute Scholarship 2027 to 2028 is one of the best options, especially if your background is in science, health, pharmacy, or environmental fields. In this video, I'll walk through the scholarship roar guide step by step, benefits, eligibility, documents, and the application process, so you can apply correctly. The scholarship is offered by the Chulabhorn Graduate Institute, CGI, in Thailand. CGI was established in 2005 and focuses on postgraduate education and research to support sustainable development. This scholarship is for postgraduate studies, and CGI currently offers master's programs in environmental toxicology, environmental health, applied biological sciences, chemical sciences. So if your career goal is connected to public health, environmental science, lab-based research, or chemistry, this is a strong match. The Scholarship Summary section. Key details: level of study, master's. Institution: Chulabhorn Graduate Institute. Study destination: Thailand. Program: duration: 2 years. Focus areas: environmental toxicology, environmental health, chemical sciences. This makes it very targeted, so it's not all fields, it's focused on science-related areas. Now let's go to the application deadline section. The article states the application window runs from 15th of May to 31st of August 2026, so you should start preparing early, because you need recommendation letters and medical documents, and those take time. Now I'm at scholarship coverage, and this is where CGI is really strong. The scholarship can cover full tuition fee, round-trip airfare, academic fees like credit fees, lab expenses, refresher course, enrollment, thesis fees, and thesis document production, visa fee, first settlement allowance, relocation allowance, accommodation, book allowance, monthly stipend, health insurance. So it's not just tuition, it's a full support package for the entire master's period. Now let's go to eligibility criteria. This section is very important because many people apply without checking the restrictions. Here are the key points: language, English, eligible country, all countries. Age limit: you must be under 30 years old. English proficiency: you should demonstrate English proficiency, preferably through TOEFL or IELTS. Education requirement: you must have a bachelor's degree with minimum CGPA 2.75 in relevant fields such as medical sciences, chemistry, biology, molecular biology, environmental sciences, pharmacy or pharmaceutical sciences. Applicants from related fields can also apply. Research experience: you must have experience in scientific laboratory research. Statement of purpose: you must submit a strong statement explaining your interest in the program. If your profile matches these points, then you're a strong candidate. Now I'm going to the How to Apply section. The application is done online through CGI's official admission portal, and there are 2 different links. If you are from a Colombo Plan current member country, use the CGI plus CPS scholarship link. Please check the list of member countries here. If you are from other countries, use the standard CGI scholarship link. Important note on the page: CGI will not consider your application if you don't submit the application form and all documents through the official portal. Now let's go through the required documents listed. You need 3 recommendation letters, full academic transcript, medical history report, statement of purpose, any other supporting documents that strengthen your screening. Tip: start your recommendation letters early. Many applicants lose time because referees respond late. The successful applicants are usually notified around January 2027. So after submitting in 2026, you should keep checking your email and any portal updates. Now I'm on the official Chulabhorn Graduate Institute, CGI, and CPS scholarship application form. I'll walk through each section so you know what information and documents you need before you submit. First, the portal asks you to select one master's program only: environmental health, chemical sciences, or environmental toxicology. Choose the program that matches your bachelor's background and research interest. Next is personal data: Enter your name exactly as in your passport, then complete sex, birth details, nationality, date of birth, marital status, and upload a passport-size photo in JPG or PNG format. Here you provide your home address, office address if applicable, phone numbers in the country/area/number format, and both personal and office emails. Then add an emergency contact, name, phone, and relationship. This field asks your international airport or city of departure, which helps the institute plan travel arrangements if you're selected. Educational record. Now list your education starting from undergraduate, university name, city, country, dates, degree, major, and CGPA. Use add row if you have multiple degrees. Next, mention if you've ever been trained in Thailand, course location, duration. Then list your publications or research titles in text only. The form says do not attach them here. Here you add your present or most recent job and a previous job, employer, years, position, organization type, main function, and office address. This part is important. Briefly describe your responsibilities at work, then clearly explain your scientific laboratory research experience, methods, instruments, and research tasks you've handled. Expectations. Now write what you plan to do after graduation when you return to your home country. Keep it specific, realistic, and connected to the program you selected. Next is the language section. Rate your reading, writing, and speaking for mother tongue and English, and add any other languages. The form highlights that consideration is given to applications with language proficiency proof, so select your proof type, TOEFL, IELTS, medium of instruction letter, or other, and upload the PDF. Now upload your key documents: academic transcript PDF, medical certificate PDF, and then 3 recommendation letters. There's no standard format, but you must enter each referee's name, title, institution, and upload each letter as a PDF. Write your statement of purpose. Cover your motivation, research interests, and career goals. Keep it clear and aligned with CGI's program focus. Before you submit, select at least one option for how you learned about the scholarship. This is a required field, and the form won't submit without it. Finally, read the declaration, tick the agreement checkbox, and click Submit Application. Before submitting, quickly review all required fields and confirm your uploads are correct, because missing documents can make your application incomplete. That's the complete walkthrough of the Chulabhorn Graduate Institute Scholarship. Don't forget to subscribe to Scholarship Roar and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn for daily scholarship updates and deadlines.